Hi, my name is Philip, your intuitive analyst again. Today we are looking at the sales analysis for Amazon, and from the dashboard, as usual, we have our KPIs and slicers at the top. And the first chart we are looking at is the top performing product by ratings. Also, the next chart to it is the product performance based on category. Below that is the distribution based on rating and discount percentage by actual price. And the next chart is the product popularity by user engagement. All these charts are derived from the data set. And you can see the data set. We have the data set from here. The data we are getting from the, so we can see from the next page also some charts. Likewise, we have the distribution of actual price by ratings. This is a line chart that's giving us the distribution of actual rates of actual price by the rating. So distribution of the discounted price by revenue. Most of the charts used there are line charts. For this dashboard are line charts. Only few is a bar chart. And also under this we have the summary. This is the summary of the dashboard, the analysis on the dashboard. And so the slicers as usual on the top. You can go back to the previous page by clicking on the previous. So that works fine. So that is all about the analysis and the dashboard presentation. Thank you.